Black holes are one of the most mysterious and powerful phenomena in the universe. They form when a massive star exhausts its fuel, collapsing under its own gravity, creating a region of space with an incredibly strong gravitational force. The mass of a black hole is so immense that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, cannot escape its pull. This makes black holes completely dark, undetectable by telescopes, and only visible through their effects on the surrounding environment. There are different types of black holes, ranging from stellar black holes, formed from the collapse of massive stars, to supermassive black holes, which sit at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. In this scenario, if a black hole were to collide with the Sun, we are talking about a stellar black hole with enough size and mass to have serious effects on the solar system. Black holes not only pull in surrounding matter, but also warp space-time, pulling in anything that comes too close and causing it to vanish. The Sun is the solar system's central star, playing a crucial role in maintaining life and stability for all the planets. With a radius of about 696,340 kilometers and a mass that accounts for 99.86% of the solar system's total mass, the Sun is not only the primary energy source, but also the gravitational anchor that keeps the planets in their orbits. The Sun's gravitational force is so strong that it holds all the planets, asteroids, comets, and other objects in their precise orbits. The energy the Sun emits has far-reaching effects on Earth and other planets. On Earth, the Sun is the source of life, providing light and heat to maintain stable temperatures, allowing ecosystems to thrive, and keeping water in its liquid state. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth and is essential for photosynthesis, which provides oxygen and energy for most life forms on the planet. Additionally, the Sun affects Earth's weather and climate through its solar cycles, including solar flares and solar wind. Without the Sun, the entire solar system would collapse. The planets would lose their orbits and drift off into the cold, dark void of space. The Sun is not just a star that provides light. It is the heart of the solar system, controlling its movements and sustaining life. In the hypothetical scenario where a black hole approaches the Sun, the effects would begin to unfold far in advance and spread across the entire solar system. A black hole, with its immense gravitational pull, would start affecting the Sun and planets from a great distance, causing the balance that has existed for billions of years to be disrupted. As the black hole draws closer, it will warp space-time around the Sun and planets. The planets in the solar system, which orbit the Sun in stable paths, would begin to feel the black hole's gravitational tug. This disturbance could shift the planets' orbits, pulling Mercury, Venus, and even Earth toward the black hole, or pushing them out of their orbits. If the black hole is large enough and comes close enough, the balance between the Sun's gravity and the black hole would completely collapse. Some planets might be thrown into chaotic orbits, collide with each other, or be ejected from the solar system. Earth could lose its orbit and drift aimlessly through space, or worse, be pulled into the black hole. This event would not only shift the planet's positions, but also destroy Earth's stability in temperature, radiation, and ecosystems, leading to the collapse of life. Additionally, the Sun itself would face the enormous gravitational pull of the black hole. As the black hole approaches, the Sun's matter would be drawn into it, forming an accretion disk spiraling around the black hole at high speeds. During this process, immense energy would be released in the form of electromagnetic radiation and gravitational waves, resulting in massive space explosions. Gradually, the Sun would be torn apart, losing mass and the ability to maintain the solar system's stability. The outcome of the chaos before the black hole reaches the Sun would be the complete disintegration of the solar system as we know it. When the Sun is destroyed by the black hole, the consequences for the solar system would be catastrophic and irreversible. The planets, once held in their orbits by the Sun's gravity, would no longer have an anchor to maintain stability. The immediate result would be that the planets would begin drifting freely in space. Earth, like the other planets, would quickly lose its only source of heat and light needed for life, turning into a frozen, uninhabitable planet. Not only would the inner planets like Earth, Venus, and Mercury be affected, but even the outer planets like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn would experience chaos in their orbits. Some planets might be flung far from the solar system, becoming rogue planets in the dark void. The solar system, which has existed for billions of years, would completely break apart. Furthermore, the emergence of a new black hole in the galaxy would have profound effects on nearby stars and planetary systems. The presence of this black hole would permanently alter the structure of the region in the galaxy where the solar system once existed. While the scenario of a black hole approaching the sun is fascinating and terrifying, the chances of it happening are extremely low. Currently, the nearest known black hole to Earth is V616 Monocerotis, located about 3,000 light-years away. Given this distance, the closest black hole is far too distant to have any impact on the sun or the solar system in the near future. Moreover, our sun is located in a relatively calm area of the galaxy, far from any galactic centers where supermassive black holes reside. This significantly reduces the likelihood of dangerous interactions between the sun and a black hole. Even the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A, is around 26,000 light-years away, too distant to pose any immediate threat. Therefore, while the idea of a black hole approaching the sun is an intriguing and terrifying concept, in reality, this event is unlikely to occur for billions of years. Modern science assures us that our solar system will remain stable for a very long time unless disrupted by other unrelated cosmic factors. We've just explored an unimaginable yet incredibly interesting scenario. What would happen if a black hole collided with our sun? The consequences would be catastrophic, from planets being thrown out of orbit to the sun's destruction, and the complete collapse of life on Earth and chaos within the galaxy. Though the chances of this scenario happening in reality are very small, it still reminds us of the infinite power of the universe and the fragility of the solar system we inhabit. So, what do you think is the scariest part of this scenario? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming space exploration content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.